Welcome to AgriGadget Picks. Transform your outdoor area into a stylish and relaxing retreat with the perfect pergola design. Best pergolas for garden space add shade, elegance, and a cozy atmosphere while enhancing patios, walkways, and backyard seating areas for year-round comfort and visual appeal. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. MELLCOM Louvered Pergola. The MELLCOM Louvered Pergola is designed for homeowners who want complete control over their outdoor comfort without sacrificing style. Its independently adjustable louvered roofs make it easy to switch between bright sunlight, partial shade, or full rain protection within seconds. The dual crank system feels smooth and sturdy, giving the pergola a premium touch while allowing different sections to be adjusted separately for better flexibility during gatherings or family use. The heavy-duty aluminum and steel construction gives the structure a solid and dependable feel, especially during rough weather conditions. Its powder-coated finish also helps resist rust, fading, and UV damage, making it suitable for year-round outdoor use. One standout feature is the integrated drainage system, which efficiently channels rainwater through the frame and posts to keep the space underneath dry and comfortable. The included curtains and netting add another layer of convenience by improving privacy while helping block insects and light rain. Overall, this pergola delivers a modern appearance, excellent weather resistance, and practical comfort for patios, gardens, and outdoor entertaining spaces. Number 2. Backyard Discovery Pergola. The Backyard Discovery Pergola offers a timeless wooden design combined with impressive durability and convenience. Built from 100% cedar wood, it brings a warm and natural appearance that blends beautifully into patios, gardens, and backyard spaces. The structure feels exceptionally sturdy thanks to its oversized posts and reinforced dual-beam construction, helping it remain stable even during strong winds. One of its most useful features is the built-in power port system, which includes electrical outlets and USB ports for powering lights, speakers, or outdoor devices without running extension cords across the yard. The multi-level trellis roof adds visual charm while still allowing airflow and filtered sunlight to pass through comfortably. Installation is also more manageable than expected because all parts arrive pre-cut, pre-drilled, and pre-stained, while the interactive assembly app helps simplify the setup process. Beyond functionality, the pergola creates a welcoming outdoor atmosphere that works well for family gatherings, outdoor dining, or relaxing evenings. It combines traditional craftsmanship with modern convenience, making it a strong option for homeowners looking for both beauty and practical outdoor living features. Number 3. BlueWish Cedar Pergola. The BlueWish Cedar Pergola stands out with solid cedar wood construction and naturally elegant appearance that instantly enhances outdoor spaces. The cedar frame feels durable and reliable while offering natural resistance against moisture and weather exposure. Its large support posts and reinforced double-beam structure help create a stable setup that can handle strong winds while maintaining an attractive open-air design. The slatted trellis roof provides a bright and airy atmosphere, making it ideal for relaxing outdoors without feeling fully enclosed. It also creates a great space for hanging decorative lights, lightweight plants, or extra shade covers. The included stakes and pre-drilled posts simplify installation on decks or concrete surfaces, saving time during assembly. Another appealing feature is how easily the pergola blends with gardens and landscaping, especially when paired with climbing vines or flowers. Whether used for weekend barbecues, outdoor dinners, or casual family gatherings, this pergola creates a comfortable and inviting environment. Its combination of natural cedar beauty, sturdy construction, and versatile design makes it an appealing centerpiece for outdoor living areas. Number 4. Aoxun Louvered Pergola. The Aoxun Louvered Pergola combines modern engineering with a sleek outdoor design that fits beautifully into patios and backyard entertainment areas. One of its strongest advantages is the simplified assembly system, which uses a patented plug-and-play frame design that significantly reduces installation frustration. Fewer screws and easier alignment make setup noticeably quicker compared to many competing pergolas. The adjustable louvered roof adds impressive flexibility, allowing users to control sunlight, ventilation, and shade with a smooth crank system that folds neatly away for a cleaner appearance. Its durable AMMGZN coated steel frame feels sturdy and highly resistant to rust, rain, humidity, and prolonged sun exposure, making it a dependable option for long-term outdoor use. The integrated drainage system is another practical addition, helping rainwater flow efficiently through the structure instead of collecting on the roof. Visually, the pergola has a clean and contemporary appearance that works especially well in modern outdoor spaces. Overall, it delivers a strong balance of durability, weather protection, easy installation, and adjustable comfort for homeowners who want a stylish and low-maintenance pergola solution.
Number 5. FansaFurn Curtain Pergola. The FansaFurn Curtain Pergola is a versatile outdoor structure designed to provide comfort, protection, and modern style for backyard living spaces. Its aluminum frame and reinforced metal roof create a sturdy build that feels stable even during windy or rainy weather. The powder-coated finish adds durability while helping protect the pergola against rust, moisture, and UV exposure over time. One of the most attractive features is the dual adjustable louvered roof system, which allows users to customize the amount of sunlight or shade throughout the day. This flexibility makes the pergola ideal for outdoor dining, social gatherings, or simply relaxing comfortably outside. The hidden drainage system works efficiently during rain by channeling water through the frame and down the posts, helping keep the seating area dry underneath. The included curtains also improve privacy while adding a more elegant and cozy atmosphere to the space. Although the pergola ships in multiple boxes, the instructions are designed to simplify assembly. Overall, this model offers an attractive balance of durability, weather protection, adjustable coverage, and stylish outdoor functionality. Choosing the right pergola can completely upgrade your garden space with comfort, shade, and timeless style. Whether you prefer a modern design or a classic wooden structure, the perfect option will create a more inviting outdoor area for relaxing, entertaining guests, or enjoying peaceful moments surrounded by nature.